I will show you how you can remove the unwanted outline border around links, be it the site logo or the site navigation menu. To remove it, we need to add a few lines of code that will remove or hide the URL link borders. So let's get started with the video. In WordPress dashboard, we need to click Customize tab under Appearance on the left side of the page. And again, we need to click Custom CSS tab in the bottom. Here, we can add any CSS code to edit and customize the WordPress site. We need to add this code that you see on the screen in this Custom CSS section. You can find this CSS code in the link added below this video. Once we save the changes made in the Custom CSS section, we can open the WordPress site in the browser to confirm the link border has been removed. And done, there is no more border around the logo or the navigation menu anymore. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.